If you've ever tried to edit a PDF, you know the pain. Monthly fees, annoying watermarks, or trial restrictions that stop you right when you're finishing a task. Most free editors aren't actually free. Until now. Meet JOPDF, the professional suite that's flipping the script on PDF editing. JOPDF is a 100% free, all-in-one PDF editor. When we say free, we mean it. No subscriptions, no trial limits, no ads, and absolutely no watermarks. You don't even need to sign up or create an account, just download it and get to work. It's built by a team with over 10 years of software experience and more than 10 million downloads worldwide. The standout feature is how it lets you edit PDFs like a Word document. You can modify or add text directly, maintaining the original format. Adjust fonts, colors, and styles effortlessly. Manage images by resizing, rotating, cropping, or replacing them entirely. Insert links to web pages, other files, or specific pages within the document. Need to change file formats? JOPDF features a powerful batch converter. You can turn PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images, and vice versa. If your file is too big to email, use the high-quality compression tool. It reduces the file size while maintaining excellent quality, going from nearly 10 megabytes to 8 megabytes in seconds without a visible difference in clarity. Organizing is just as simple. You can merge multiple files, split documents, rotate pages, or reorder them with a simple drag-and-drop interface. For collaboration, use the 15+ annotation tools. Highlight text, add area highlights, insert stamps like approved, or leave sticky notes for your team. You can even draw directly on the PDF or add a customized signature by typing, drawing, or uploading an image. For sensitive documents, JOPDF has you covered with strong encryption. You can set a password to open the file and even tweak permission settings to prevent others from printing, copying, or editing your work without your say-so. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, JOPDF runs smoothly across all major platforms. It's designed to handle even giant files without lag, offering fast scrolling and a distraction-free full-screen reading mode. If you're tired of wrestling with clunky, overpriced tools, JOPDF is the simple, powerful solution you've been looking for. It's fast, secure, and doesn't push any annoying upsells. Click the link in the description to download JOPDF for free today. Stop paying for PDF editing and start being more productive. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews. Thanks for watching.